Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to do some neck stretches. All you need is a chair. You can do this on the floor as well. You can't do this standing, it's a little tricky. You can try, but it's not going to be the same. So find yourself a nice firm seat, and all you're going to do is sit nice and tall. So you don't want to be slouching, otherwise you don't get the whole benefit of the stretch. Alright, so gotta work on that good posture, right? Okay, so you're going to sit on your one hand with the palm facing to the ground, okay? Then you're going to make sure your arm is nice and straight, so you're nice and tall. You're going to take your other hand, your opposite hand, and you're going to place it right on the side where you're sitting on. So you're going to place it right here, and all you're going to do is sit up nice and tall. You're going to pull your head to the opposite side. If you slouch, you will reduce the stretch. So what you want to do is sit up nice and tall and feel that stretch going right through the side of the neck, okay? So we're going to get upper traps, we're going to get scalenes, levator scapulae, all that good stuff that's, well, taking away your mobility in your neck, okay? Make sure that you do the stretch for 20 seconds minimum, and do it 3 times, so one on each side. Switch. Okay, sit up nice and tall, and go to the other side. Okay, and make sure you're not angled funny, okay? And that's it. So, that's the first stretch. So that one's easy. Remember, it's the ear to shoulder one. Okay, next one we're going to do is, it's going to look a little funny. So again, you're going to sit on your palm, or sit on the back of your hand, okay? And what you're going to do, sit nice and tall. You're going to take your opposite hand and grab the back of your skull. And what you're going to do is bring your nose to the opposite arm. So bring your nose to your armpit, and keeping your torso nice and tall, your spine nice and tall, you're going to bring your nose to your armpit. You're going to hold for 20 seconds, and you should feel also a nice stretch going into the arm at the same time. This is going to get the levator scapulae, upper traps. This is going to feel nice and good. And so you're going to hold that for 20 seconds. You're going to do that on both sides. So I'm going to place my other hand on the opposite side. Okay, don't fall off your chair. Alright, you're going to take your hand, grab the back of your head, and you're going to bring nose, you're going to rotate, bring nose to opposite side. Sit up nice and tall, okay? And you should feel kind of just things wanting to let go. Okay, you're going to come on up. And that's the stretch. Okay, I'm going to show you another one. This one's going to focus on upper traps again. So a lot of times you'll notice that people who have neck injuries or really crappy posture, they tend to have their neck poking out. Okay, that is not good. All right, so what you want to do is make sure that you return the curvature in your spine. So these muscles here are so tight that the person is like this. And we don't want that. That's bad. No one wants to look up your nose. Okay? So what we want to do is we're going to place our hands at the back of our skull. And all you're going to do, sit up nice and tall, is bring your chin to your chest. And all you're going to do is stretch out those tight muscles in your upper back, shoulders, and neck. And just focus on your breathing. Hold it there for 20 seconds. If you curl forward, that's okay. That just means we're getting a stretch. Okay? I'm going to do that sideways for you guys to see. So, I'm going to bring my arms up, and I'm just going to bring my arms forward, just like so. Feel a nice good stretch down into my back. Okay? Those are simple stretches, and oh, I got one more. Okay, so this one, you can actually stretch the front of the shoulder cap, and you can also stretch the rotator cuff muscles, and you don't have to do a lot. All you have to do is choose which side you want to stretch. So we're going to stretch my right side, and all you're going to do is place the arm so that your palm is facing away from your body. So you're just going to place it behind you. Oops. Just like so. Sit up nice and tall so you get the stretch. So sit this way. Okay, and I can feel all this kind of stretching. Okay, I'm a little bit better on this side. Much better range. Okay, 2, well, this one, oh, it's pretty tight. Okay, make sure you always do whatever you do on one side, you do it on the other side. And you don't have to do these every day, and you don't have to do them all day long. You just do it as needed. All right, so I will see you guys. Have a great day.